All right, ladies and gentlemen, we come from a position of weakness and now we've come to a position of strength. Look at this. The market is doing what we like the market to do, going up 59 points on the E-minis, up 1.17%. It's all over, y'all. It's all over. The correction, the 5 or 6% that the market went down is over. Or is it? Let's see what the big green monster says. We will not make a determination until we look at the big green monster. And indeed, the big green monster says, well, indeed, we had support and resistance where we thought we'd have support and resistance. Look at this. It's amazing how that works, isn't it? And we drew this 23 days ago from today. And now it says that we are oversold for the fair value zone above. If it keeps doing this, then we're going to fill this gap here and maybe up to the 5,200. So that's interesting, right? So things kind of change, but let's look at the conflicting report of the linear regression. And we get a little bit of a conflicting report, don't we? I'm not believing it. I still think we've got farther down to go unless we crack through this area of resistance, break out with a candle or two past that to go back to our regular scheduled program. But until we break this channel to the downside, and we've not done it yet, then we have much farther down to go. So I think that we're going down. We might go up first. That's kind of my key. All right. So hope everybody's doing good. Let's see where we're at. VIX is in the 16 handle. AD is at a strong 333, and nobody's trading today. Only 3,300 contracts every 2 minutes. So nobody's really trading today. Isn't that cool? So let's go to our mega account today. Now, I got to come clean with you. After we traded yesterday, the market was up big, and I put on another hedge. Let me just show you what I did yesterday. I didn't show this in our thing, but I went in and put in another 1220 hedge because the account was up like $4,000 or $5,000 yesterday. And I said, hey, spend some theta to do that. So that's what I did. So let's see what our net lick is today in this little old account. So today's the 23rd in the year of our Lord, 1924, 2024, whatever it is. And let's see what our little account is up to today. So we are at 287,514, 287,514. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Oh, yeah. Look at there. Everything we lost, we have got back, y'all. We are doing good. So we are killing it. So let's see our Gregson ratios, see what's going on here. So our Gregson ratios are 110. Is that right? That can't be right, is it? Yeah, I guess it is. Wow. Make sure I got the right account here. Yeah, I guess so. 110 deltas, 281 theta. 110, 281, 110, 281. And I think I had some futures in this one, didn't I? Where I sold some futures the other day. We may need to get rid of some of those, but we will let this make the decision. So 281 looks really good in theta. And our buying pair is, let's see, we don't count Bill. So we've got 103,100, and we don't count Bill. 103,100. So let's put that in, 103,100. Look at this, y'all, 103,100. Good, groovy, groovy. So we're only using 35% buying power. So everything looks good. So let's see if any of our trades. So I could have, let's see, no, we could have a delta up to 431, y'all. And our delta right now is 110. So, you know, what we could do is go in, and I think we've got some, do we have some futures in this account? Let's see. Let's see what we got. ESM4, is that the current thing? PDS. Here, let's just do this. This will show us right here, right, with futures. Yeah, we got some futures. So we've got 5 contracts of futures. Let's sell 3 of them and see what it looks like. Close position. Let's close 3 of these. All right, covering 3 positions. Let's get out of those. So now we're at 263, 280, 263. Okay. That looks better. So we could be as high as 431. So I just took off a couple of those. No big deal. Our deltas are now fine. I still believe we're going down. So I'm going to leave a couple of those on, but our theta is good. Our buying power is good. Do y'all see how good this is? And remember, it was just last week. We were all panicking and, oh God, I've never seen this before. And I thought you was only supposed to make money and blah, blah, blah. Life is good. All right. So let's go to our position sizing thing. It says that we should be putting on 1.5 of these things a week. Now, I'm about to add another $50,000 to this account. So that may go up to about 2 a week. So let's just put on 1 today, right? And let's see if any of our trades need managing. So you just go over here. Oh, I saw a close. Did y'all see that? Oh, these are 4 days ago. So what you do on these put debit spreads, what's this, y'all? Those expired out of the money. So you just put 0 as the closing price. Just show everybody how to do this. 1, 2, 3, 0. And then 4 days ago would have been 419. So put 419 there. And let's copy that down. I said, let's copy that down. Oh, no, we don't do that. Let's copy this. Control C, Control V, Control V. Now, then to get rid of these so we don't see them anymore, is we're going to go here and we're going to go just take out the blanks. Now that takes all that out. Good. So let's see if we got
a couple of long hedges there that are.
Oh, look at there.
Sorry, I looked at it wrong.
Wait a minute. Days left in trade, -4, -26.
-40.
Why is my thing not saying it should be telling me? Let's see. We put it on 125 current days in trade. Started off with 69 DTE. Wow. Okay, so this thing should have told me to take these off, and it didn't. Or so I got to fix the formula in there. The formula is not saying, "Hey, give an auto close signal," but I did say an auto close signal or something. All right, so let's look at this. I have 3750 short puts that are 63 days out at the 3750 that are less than 21 days. So remember, this is one of the orders that we had a GTC on to close. So there are 3 puts at 3750, 63 days. Let's go find those. 63 days. 63 days. Oh, heck, don't tell me this thing isn't working right. Oh, this is MES. Hold on a second. 63 days. Is there not a 63 days? What's wrong with my thing here? Let's see. It says 63 days, so 3750s. No, 17 days left. Sorry. 17 days left. 3750s, 17 days. Let's find those. 17, 3750s. You see, I've got a working order there. 3750s. They should be ready to take off. Here is this working order. They're at 35 cents. Okay, wham. So let's go and replace order. And let's make this up to 35 or so and get out of these. All right, let's replace the order again. We'll go up to 40 cents. Just don't want any valley of death issues with this. Oh, come on, get me out. Replace 45 cents. And we are out at 45 cents. So let's go do that. So let's do this. We did it out at 45 cents. And we did it on 423. Good. So it told me to get out of those. So then what else do we got? Let's see. Anything else giving me an auto close signal? No, everything looks good. So it's just, hey, put a trade in, baby. Bobby, isn't it better to put trades in when the market's down? Yeah, it is. It is. But we work with what we work here. So let's just do it. So let's go to ES and let's go to 120 days. So we got 115 or 129. Let's try this 129. See if we can put in a 10, a delta. Where's all my little things over here? 10, 10, 10. Here we go. 10% probability of being in the money, the 4450s. So let's sell those. And we'll do that. Got that. Now let's go get our 25 deltas. Where's my existing positions here? I thought I had some existing positions here. Oh, I got some hedges there. I got 12 and 20 there. All right, so let's go to a 25 delta or so. And let's buy those and sell those. We want this to be under $10. So I'll probably move that down a little bit, under $10. 860. So we'll go 865 and swing better. Got to go up a little bit. Go to 870. Oh, we got field. All right, so let's go to our activity. And I think one of our GTC orders filled today, so we need to look at that too. Well, no, that's one of the things. Let's see what happened here. Something filled today in one of my accounts. Let's see. This was a day order that I got filled working 422 208 p.m. Day. So it doesn't look like we had anything else to fill, does it? All right. So we filled 45 cents. Oh, here we go. So we sold at 129 days, 44.50. 44.50, 129 days, 44.50, 129 days. And we got a put debit spread too, right? So we're going to put in ES for our naked put in ES for our put debit spread. And we did a one trancher and a one trancher. And this is going to be NP24, PDS24. And they are puts. And this is naked. And today's date. And we filled that for what? 31.75. We filled that for 31.75. Okay, let's go do this. And our other one got filled for 865, 48.50. 865, 48.50. 865, 48.50, 4,800. 4,800. Puts, debit spread, control colon. There. Beautiful. Now, what you got to do is make sure that you go put them in their groups, right? So let's go to positions. And we want to do, I still got options. So let's go, yes, M4. Here they are, U4s. So we got PDS, was it 24? Yeah, PDS and NP24. So we'll go NP24, group positions, NP24, and this is PDS24, group positions, PDS24. All right, now let's also go to another account. Let's see, the other account that I had something working in is this account. So let's go here and let's take this off and let's look at this because I've had a something filled today. Yeah, look at this, y'all. Let's go get that spreadsheet and see what happened. Now, we may not have this in the spreadsheet because we hadn't started doing everything with, here's the Tasty Trade spreadsheet. All right, so what did we close here? We closed $1.55. We bought 10 at 59 days, 10 at 59 days at $1.55. So that's really good. So let's see, 10 at 59 days. So let me see if I can find 6 at 59 days. Now remember, we hadn't kept all of these. So 6 at 59 days is right here. See that? BSH1, we've got 6 at, and so I should have bought the 3200s. And it's the 3350s. I say that doesn't look right. 3350s. So maybe that's not it. Let me find another 6 that we got in there. No, it's not these. It's got to be something else then that we bought 6 for. That's fine. Let's start another hedge though. If we bought 10, we can probably sell 6. Well, I'll tell you what, let's just wait till tomorrow to do that. No need to do that tomorrow. We're going to trade that account tomorrow. Just make me remember how that we need to look at this GTC order that we did today and that filled today and put it in and make sure that we buy hedges for tomorrow. But I think we're fine on that. All right, guys, good session. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. All right, we're off record. Anybody, well, I think we're off record. Let me switch the recording here. Stop recording and